Welcome back to our video series on networking and ready architecture. We're here today with Bob Brewer, Solutions Director for Networking for E+. And today we're going to be talking about considerations for building a defensible network. Bob, I know this is a topic you're excited about.
Very much so, Casey. Thanks for the opportunity.
Well, securing your network is such a hot topic, and we'll continue to see the foreseeable future. So many considerations around this topic, depending on where data lives. So, Bob, how do you maximize defensibility in your network when we're talking about securing your data?
Well, Casey, for me, I live inside of a global strategy team and partnered very closely with my security counterpart. And the way I preach it and evangelize it, that I cannot have a network without having a secured network. So security really is the first word inside of any kind of networking discussion I have. Even with SD-WAN, as we talked about in a previous video series, to me, it's secured SD-WAN. You cannot deploy anything out of the network, in my opinion, today without touching on security and making your network defensible. And that includes, having the ability to set security policies, security processes. What are the practices to prevent, detect, and monitor unauthorized access, misuse, modification, denial of service attacks today are at a all-time high. And I need to be able to protect all of those network accessible resources. I can't just do that with normal networking. I have to embed and layer into all the security that I possibly can. So network security is huge. I don't have conversations with any of my enterprise customers without having security conversations.
And what are some of the best actions organizations can take when they're thinking about securing their networks from attacks?
Well, one of the first things is to bring in the security team into any conversation you have about doing anything different in your network. We talked about this earlier too. The silos that used to exist in the enterprises. I had a networking group and a security group and a data center group. They all have to communicate. So the first thing that I want to do when I enter into a consulting engagement with my enterprise customers, I want to invite the security team. I want to know where they're coming from. What does their unified threat management platform look like, and how do I make sure that that's interconnected and integrated with whatever network solution I'm getting ready to deploy. So again, I can't have any of this work without having my network be defensible. I've got to look at things as threat detection and protection, anomaly detection, and network access policy enforcement. Again, we talked about single orchestration. I want to be able to set the orchestration policies, including the security access policies, at a single point and have that propagate into all of my network devices throughout the globe if necessary.
And it seems like, in some ways, it's just creating that culture at a company that, hey, we're all in this together. We're all trying to build a defensible network.
Absolutely. I mean, it's teamwork. I mean, networking can't live without security, and security can't live without networking. I mean, that's, again, partnered with my security counterpart inside of my strategy group. That's our mantra. I can't do this without you. You can't do this without me.
Well, Bob, thanks so much for joining us again. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Casey. I appreciate it too.
And you guys tune in for the next episode where we'll be speaking about an intelligent network. Have a great day, everyone.